In this video, you're going to learn how to compose an email as well as attach a file. So, first thing you want to go to is gmail.com. Once you get there, you might see your email address already saved. If you don't, you're going to choose Add Account, and that's where you'll be able to put in your username and password. So in this case, I see my account, so I'm going to choose it, put in my password, and click Sign In. Now, once I'm logged in, it's going to take me to my inbox. And the inbox is where I have all of my emails that have been sent to me, with the most recent being on top. I can tell this based off of the dates. So the most recent things are on top. Now, I want to compose or create an email, so I'm going to click on the left-hand side where it says Compose. In the to bar, I'm going to write the person's email address that I'm sending my email to. In this case, it's Miss Reale. So I'm going to do ereale@ms442.org. Make sure you spell the email address correctly. In the subject, I'm either going to put my favorite song or my favorite band, depending on what I'm writing about. And then in the blank space is where I type up my message. I want to always make sure to include some kind of greeting, either Dear Miss Reale or To Miss Reale. I'm going to write the name of the song that I like and the reason for why I like it. And I'm always going to conclude with either sincerely or thank you. Now, in order to attach a file, I need to use the paperclip option. But before I can attach anything, I need to pull it or download it from the internet. So I'm going to add a new tab in Safari, and I'm going to do a Google image search by going to google.com. I'm going to put in the singer's name, so in this case it's Sarah Bareilles. And I'm going to click on Images. Now once I'm here, I'm going to choose a picture of her that I like. And I'm going to click View Image. So the only thing I see on the page is the image of the person or song that I'm sending. Now I have to save this picture to my computer. So I'm going to do a Control and click the mouse on top of the picture. That's a right click. I'm going to go to Save Image As. And I can export it as this name, and I'm going to save it to my desktop. Just make sure you know where it's saved and choose Save. Now that downloaded the picture to my computer. So when I click on the Attach File button or the paperclip, and I go to Desktop, I should be able to see in my view, if I choose the most recent thing sent today, is Sarah Bareilles. If you can't find it, you can always do a search for it by typing in the name, and that will pull up the most recent thing. But in my case, it's right on top, so I'm going to click Choose. And now this has uploaded the file to the email, so now the recipient of the email will be able to download it and do what they need with this file. When I'm done, I click Send.